All right, so right now we're gonna be doing the flooring. We're gonna be patching those. So first thing is I'm gonna cut out this one, just straighten it out, so that way it's easier to put those in places. All right. All right, so I have them everything ready. So we need this ones. See here. So now it's ready. This one goes here. This one. That's good. Now this one here. All right. You can handle this guy. Now we're good. So that's all glued. That should be good. All right, we're done. Let me fill it up. All right, we're done. All right, guys, so this is how I patch flooring like this. So usually you don't have to buy like the planks of hardwood floor. You could just buy the planks like this one, 3/4, right? So I bought the one that's wider than the existing flooring. So the flooring is, I think it's 4 and 1/4, and I bought 5 inch wide, and then I just strip it and then cut it to pieces. So that's it. All right, guys. So now the patch is all done. So I already did the stain. We already stained the other day. So now I'm gonna clear coat it today. Right. So I'm using all the oil based one, not the water based. Right. Let's do this. Hey. The other one. We're just gonna put 2 coats on it, and then you should be good. Right? So I'm just gonna wipe off. Alright, so after a couple hours, now it should be good. This is the second coat. Alright, we're all good. It's done now. Alright, so it's almost match. It's almost matching from the existing one. We can't really get it to 99%. I mean 100%. You know. So it's at least it's very close. All right, guys. So that's how I do my floor patching. All right. Thanks again for watching.